are going to love the 2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, compass, security alarm, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, fog lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.